All right. It's Friday. For some of you, it's Friday before noon, and for us, it's Friday evening. And so we are ending our day here in Portugal. But I did want to go live because I received a few questions in regards to the Diffuser course. And I think a few of you guys might be totally new to courses online. And I just actually wanted to give you a quick behind the scene and how it looks inside of the course. As you know, the course or the sign up will end today at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. So that makes it more or less 8 a.m. for us here in Europe, and then in California, midnight today. And we have a few spots left. So it's going to be really, really fun. And I hope you will actually enjoy it. The ones who have joined, thank you so much. And it's super exciting for me. It's a new venture. I've been doing a lot of online in-person classes already here in Lisbon, and I received my aromatherapy certification from the Aroma Head Institute, and it's just been a whole whirlwind and a beautiful way of enjoying the essential oils more in depth and just knowing what is behind the oils on the chemical structure, but also in general what they can do. It's mind-blowing. So the diffuser course I created just because there were a lot of questions around diffusers, how to use them. But then there's also, I just had a talk today actually at the school my daughter goes to, and this lady has some respiratory issues, and she has been inhaling eucalyptus over and over and over again. So there can be a complete overuse, of course, too. And the diffuser at home is running for hours. And it might not work at one point anymore because we do get used to the oils. And so the course will cover a lot of that. And it's going to focus mostly on the therapeutic potentials of the oils rather than just only the good smell. But of course, that plays always a big role for all of us. So with that being said, I hope you will join us, and I will start sharing my screen. Okay, and bear with me, it's the very first time I'm doing this year, but I think we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna do this part and just go ahead and click share. All right, so you probably know me all from Facebook or the Facebook group or through the emails and whatnot else. So the very first thing you see in the link above is the link to and where to sign up. And let me just see if I can move something here. Yeah, I can. Perfect. So you will be going over here, and this is where you will land. It's classes.petalandstem.com. And this one is the landing page for the diffuser class. And as you can see here, you just simply have to click I'm in for $7. That is right now the early bird price. The price will go up later on, but I'm only looking for 10 to 20 people actually to join, so we can have some discussions around the course and how you actually liked it. So we're going to go more into a family setting. It will explain you everything. You will join our global community as well. We are all over the world with some folks who have joined us. And frequently asked questions, go ahead and just click the little drop down here, and you will see the answers to the most common concerns around essential oils and diffusing. And then, of course, it's 13 hours left. You can click one more time down here. So, this one is really a nice one. So it's $7 right now. It's a lifelong access, and you will also receive 20% of our diffuser kit. So no matter if you have a diffuser or not, this kit is really, really nice because it comes with a diffuser already and 10 essential oil samples, meaning in the class itself, I've got 10 oils, 10 basic oils, which I suggest you start with, or even if you're an intermediate or advanced user, you can mix them really nicely. And they are not just the common oils. There are a few in them you might have not smelled before. And then also what I will offer is 5 of our signature diffuser blends. So they are already blended, and you can just see how the synergy is of all the oils. So this one is a really nice bonus as well. The class itself, so once you have signed up, you will be able to log in, and I hope this one is going to let me do this here. Yeah, because it's very slow, the internet. It's Friday, it's hot, it's 35 Celsius, which is, I think, almost 107 or 110, 107 Fahrenheit. Anyway, it brings you then, after you've signed up, you will be able to log in with your email and a password. And when you do that, you will actually just go inside of our classes Petal Stem website. And I just did that. As I said, it's a bit slow. Stay with me. Sorry. And here inside, you will see class library coming soon. So obviously I will be adding more courses, and there will be a membership coming up around September as well, which has a lot more to offer. So being an early bird will have many advantages. So here's your course, Diffusers, a comprehensive course. So you can just click easily on this one, and you will be able to log in to your course. And the course is divided up into a few different sections, but you basically will receive a new module every 2 days, and you will have the possibility then to go at your own pace. After you have finished, even you can go back and revisit and whatnot else. From here, you can see you can go to the Petal Stem store as well. You can go to our blog, to our Facebook community, and then obviously you have the search and log out here. So the course itself has, as I mentioned, 8 modules. And here on the right-hand side, you will see how you advance or which lessons you have already completed. So it will give you a little bar. And then, of course, I will welcome you. But then in the second section here, you have the modules themselves. And they are just very beautiful 8 comprehensive lessons about these topics. So why diffuse essential oils? What are really, really the benefits of diffusing them? The types of diffusers out on the market. It might be confusing at times, so there might be something you like or not like, and or switch them over, different needs, and so on. So we will be talking about the types of diffusers. Dilution time, dilution is quite right too, but dilution time and frequency, that is another one. So that one here is the one why I actually started it out, because I've seen everything across the board, and this will give you a really nice overview on how to dilute the essential oils, if at all, the time you should set, and how often you should diffuse them. These are the top must-have diffuser oils for me, because they will cover pretty much everything from respiratory issues over creating a nice mood, over sleeping, over helping your child, and so on. So there are different oils in here which have a few great combinations, and you could use that one. Creating a mood, diffusing essential oils. We do have a lot of different variations. Sometimes we want to welcome guests. Other times we have to calm down. Maybe we have to start studying and we really need to focus. So that is a nice module as well. So here, the real health benefits, you know, asthma, mold, any kind of emotional pain relief, and whatnot else. I've got 100 recipes for you. They're all vetted recipes, so meaning they're not just like any recipes you find on the internet. They're really done by aromatherapists and by myself. And then, of course, diffuser care. I'm not going to go into the bonus section because that's a surprise, but there will be a bonus section once you have completed everything. And each of these courses actually have, let me just go in here quickly. Each of these modules, I mean, not courses, each of the modules, apologies, it's Friday, have the possibilities for you to download different worksheets, PDFs. You can print them, you can download them, you can use them over and over again. And they're all here on the right-hand side. So they will give you a lot of information, especially around the 10 essential oils as well, which come with the diffuser kit. So you will see the progress, you will see all of the modules here on the right hand side. So and then the next category is going to be the bonus section. But really, you will not see them all at once because they will open up every 2 days, but this is how it's going to look like at the end. And then they will, of course, have a video as well, introducing you to the lesson. And I don't know if I put it on now. I hope it's not going to get too loud. But yeah, so the video is available for you. Then you have PDFs and whatnot else. So maybe it's a little bit too slow right now with all the connections going on. Yeah, so once you're in here and you go through your course at your own pace, or you actually use them as they come in every 2 days, you will probably enjoy it a lot. And then I just wanted to point out quickly, let me just go back here, that if you would like to get the diffuser kit, you can get it over here. And once you have signed up, you get a coupon, and you just go to our aromatherapy site and aromatherapy kits. And right now we have the diffuser kit here. So you will be able to purchase it over on our website, but there will be a link at all times. So nothing you need to remember right now. It will be in an email and whatnot else. And that is our blog. But last but not least, we have, of course, our Facebook community group, which is the EO Chat Hub. And I welcome you over there as well. Just join us. I'm sorry, I think it's over here. And I think it is really getting slow now. So feel free to join our Facebook community. You just go to groups. This one is our Petal Stem site, and you go over to the groups and you just join our group. I hope this will actually give you enough of an overview what an online essential oil diffuser course looks like. And I don't want to take more of your time because it's Friday and it's the weekend, but I would just really love to see you inside of the course because I think you will like it. Yeah, that's it from my side. That's it from Petal Stem. That's it from Katrine. And that's it for today. Okay, I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful weekend. Okay, bye.